Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag, and this one is Polybag 30196, and this is the Racers Ferrari Shell F1 team. Now if you enjoy this kind of video, like these Polybag openings and putting togethers, wow, I said that badly, didn't I? Anyway, if you like this kind of video, please think about subscribing, because my plan is to do one of these a day, every day for the foreseeable future. And I've also done one of these a day, every day for the past pretty good while, actually. So there's a bunch out there already if you like them. And there's more on the way. If you're interested in this particular set, I've included links in the description where you can find it on Amazon and on Bricklink, and also information about the brick set, a link for the brick set page, and the brick set page just has general information about the set and how many pieces and like what pieces are in it, etc. Now, if you've watched any of my other videos, you know I do not like putting stickers on my Legos, but I think we should at least look and see what stickers we're going to get with this set. This particular set has a bunch of like IP related stickers, I think. Oh, that sucks. Y'all see that? Look, the Minifigs are stickered. Oh, that sucks. I am profoundly unhappy about that. I don't like the stickers for pieces, but minifigs need to be printed. No, none of these have. These are all like red bodies and white body. That is super sad. Oh well, okay. This set does have one interesting thing going for it, though. It's really rare for a polybag to have 3 minifigs in it. I don't actually recall seeing any polybag set. I can't think of any other one that I've done so far that has 3 minifigs in it. So that's a first, at least. But yeah, am I just not putting this guy's legs on right? Guess I wasn't. Alright, so we have the lady scientist, who also doesn't get any like printing on her, and we got the dudes, the two guys. Alright, so we got 2 guys and the scientist lady. And unfortunately, all the interesting stuff on these minifigs is stickered, which really sucks. Alright, so there's that guy, and the other guy's hair is in a bag. So let's dump this out. So his hair's in the bag. So here's dude's hair. Like so, and then we have I'm assuming this guy's like the race car driver, and he's got the helmet. Alright, so all in all, I was excited about this set, and now I'm not, because the minifigs don't have any printed pieces on them. So, but we got 3 minifigs, and then we have. This is kind of interesting, though. We have basically like a little hand cart, which is neat. So we do get a printed piece here with that. So let's see. Let's check out the instructions and see what all we have not done correctly. Let me slide this out of the way a little bit. and then we'll take a look. Alright. Gotta love that first step. Step 1, that. And step 2, some basically a piece that doesn't have anything on it. And then that. And then a couple of these. Like so. Alright, so we got those. And then that. And then there would be a sticker on top of that one. And here we go. The printed piece, like so. And I'm not seeing. I lost my. Oh, here it is. It was like standing sideways. All right, so that goes right there, like so. And then we flip it over, and we put the little roller skate wheels on it. These are like roller skate or train, or they're kind of like multi-function wheels. I prefer the real wheels personally, but you know, can't always have everything you want. So this is the wheels for. These are the wheels for our cart, like so. And then we put together this thing. Like so. And so this goes here. Like that. And then it plugs in over here. It's kind of cool, I guess. So this is a little cart thing. And it goes with this guy who doesn't get his stickers. So that takes care of them. Now let's see what we got on the other side. Okay, so we got the second dude who's got the helmet and the hand cart, which we took care of already. And now lastly, we gotta do the scientist with all the goodies on the shelf. So that takes care of that. And then I'm gonna fold this a little bit so I can get a little room. No stickers here again, which is a little unfortunate, but that's alright. And then this is going to go on top here. Now I'm going to wait and put this on because I know I'm going to be adding all kinds of things to it. Alright, so first of all, we're going to have a jar of something. This is kind of like that Harry Potter set where you put together all the weird things. And then it's like there's this set and there was like the Bilbo cooking set, I think. Those were all sort of put together, all the little bits and bobble things. So that's that. And then on the bottom, I'm going to have this. So on the bottom, you got this. And you do have an Erlenmeyer flask. It's kind of cool. So you get that. That goes on top right there, like so. And the back of the shelf, also like so. Alright. So extra piece wise, we have these. These are right here. So we have our lady scientist and her rack of stuff. You have the dude and his little cart thing. And you have this. So it's kind of a, yeah, I don't know. I'm not crazy about this set. Probably the most exciting thing is that flask right there. Because these are kind of cool. But, yeah, aside from that, I'm not super impressed. Anyway, let me know what you think. How do y'all feel about stickers for your minifigs? I really don't like that. Not at all. It's like I don't like stickers normally. I like that even less. Anyway, though, let me know what you think. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.